Hey guys, what is up? Today we are back, but this is gonna be my first ever my first ever gameplay. Now it is 12 o'clock in the afternoon. And I'm like, I know, right? But anyways though, I told y'all that I would hit you up with a double. So I recorded the house tour this morning and uploaded it. But yeah, so we are gonna be um playing this game called Shopping Nightmare, I think. So let's give you a first ever gaming review now. So don't expect the best from the show, because I have a low end PC. I'm sorry, but I have a low end PC, so stick with it. But let's just go. Oh, the shopping menu. Let's do escape. I'll figure it out. Let's go explore. Okay. Sounds simple. Very simple. There's a bunch of lights flashing my way though. I can't see. Yes. Oh wait. Oh, that's my mouse button's flashing. Oh, my F. You know what? Let's just explore and try to. Oh god, no. You just got caught. Oh god, it moves back. Oh my god, it's terrifying. Go in toy section. No, kill us. Toy section. Hey, thank you, game, for putting me on the edge. Put me on the edge right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. The bear came like and has a knife. Not if I'd be saying that. I don't know. Okay, go. Get to this. Think it's this locked door here, isn't it? Is this locked door, you guys? Okay, now that everything's calm and peachy. Let's do it. Was that it? Thing is the whole first it. I know. Oh god. Go. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. Yes. Okay, that game was pretty short though, y'all, so I'm we'll play another game. So hold on. Okay, so I'm looking over here, and I really don't see any good game, that I could be interested in. But Guess apparently it was a new game. Homeland Clock and Bikini Bomb. Should we do it? No, nah. Let's not do it. No what? Will we do 3 AM at Krusty Krab, 6 AM at Chump Bucket, 3:30 AM at Krusty Krab, 3:30 AM at the Phone Cemetery. Which one should we do? You know what? I'm gonna say, we're gonna do. Oh, we should play 3 AM. Let's get that. I guess we'll play 3 AM at the Krusty Krab. Oh, maybe this should be a new game, y'all. What do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Should this be a game that I should play on this channel? It's called Night of the Consumers on itch.io. Now, I know this play on itch.io. As you can see, I have Steam. In fact, I have a Steam wallpaper. So, let's get ready for this. So, itch.io isn't the only game I play on. Well, the only games I am going to play on. I only installed Steam like yesterday, so. Yeah. Alright, let's go. You got it. So I was just talking to my dog about talking to my dog. No, we're the. Okay, so 3 AM. Let's get into this game.
Money.
Oh! Wait a minute, we're playing as Mr. Krabs now. So. Let's see it, but. I think you can tell by the little, my little claw there that we are playing. Objectives! Get all the money. Go for me off the car. Pack the leftover pie bags. Pick the bathroom trash bin for all money. WASD move. Left shift when either like D crouches CPRL. I couldn't be flashlight on or off. Alright. Sorry if y'all like the darkness, but for me, I need it all. You know? There we go. Lights on. Also, that Harry Potter paper is getting put up today. Actually, it's not like that. It's over. It's over. It's over here on my dresser. So it's over here on my dresser. But it's being put up there. Just try this. Go. Is that him? That's him. Go. Loot this shit quick. Loot this shit quick. Loot this shit quick. Oh god. Shit. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Cactus. Oh my god, we got Babu. I might from watching SpongeBob and Anaconda. The bathroom, like, I think the bathroom is this way. This way. It's this way. Oh my god. Fuck, they spawn. Oh no, they spawn. Oh my god. What's this shit? Oh my god! Please walk and get up. That bitch spawns in there. This little dick. Oh my god, no. Go, get it. And hold it in, man. Come on. Go. It's fine. Get up. Yeah, I remember Basement SpongeBob and his cat. I remember this. Oh my god! You still out that fucking terrifying. Okay. It's the key somewhere in this basement, you must find it. Oh my god. Go. Go. Oh crap. Oh my god. Where the fuck's this key at? It's somewhere around here. Just let me back up. Come on, yo. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Big one. Oh my god. Please, let me find this. Oh god, he's still right behind me. Oh. Well, you know what? It was fun, you guys. I hope you had some fun. I spawn key. Spawn key. Well, you guys, hold on. Well, you know what, guys? I'm gonna end it off there. I hope you all enjoyed this first game video of 3 AM Classic Club. I promise I will finish it next video. I just on a timer now. I have other shit going on, but yeah. So I hope you all have a good day, and yeah. Goodbye. Bye. Wow, 17 minutes, 49 seconds.